Title: Emotional Baggage. Heal first, love better. A fresh start begins within. How to heal before starting afresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond Feeling TV. Here we explore the emotional truths behind healthy relationships and personal growth. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects every one of us at some point. This is emotional baggage. Whether it's heartbreak, betrayal, abandonment, or unresolved trauma, emotional baggage can quietly sabotage new relationships before they even begin. It clouds judgment, triggers fear, and makes us react to the present through the lens of the past. But here's the good news. Healing is possible, and starting afresh doesn't mean forgetting. It means transforming. So let's talk about how to unpack emotional baggage, heal deeply, and prepare yourself for a love that's rooted in clarity, confidence, and emotional freedom. What is emotional baggage? Emotional baggage equals unprocessed pain from the past. Emotional baggage is the unresolved emotional residue we carry from past experiences, especially relationships. It can show up as fear of abandonment, trust issues, overreacting to small triggers, difficulty opening up, self-sabotage in new relationships. It's not weakness, it's woundedness. And if left unhealed, it can distort how we see ourselves, others, and love itself. Why healing matters before starting afresh. You can't build something new on a broken foundation. Jumping into a new relationship without healing is like trying to build a house on shaky ground. You might feel hopeful at first, but old patterns resurface. Healing allows you to break toxic cycles, choose partners consciously, communicate with clarity, love without fear or projection. As relationship expert Dr. Nedra Tawwab says, unhealed wounds don't disappear. They disguise themselves as personality traits. Step 1. Acknowledge your pain without shame. Own your story. Healing begins with honest self-reflect. Ask yourself, what am I still holding on to? What patterns keep repeating in my relationships? What emotions do I avoid or suppress? Journaling, therapy, or even quiet meditation can help you confront your emotional history. Remember, you can't heal what you won't face. Step 2. Practice emotional release. Let it out to let it go. Emotions that stay trapped become toxic. Find healthy ways to release them. Cry without judgment. Write letters you don't send. Talk to a trusted friend or therapist. Use creative outlets like art or music. Release isn't weakness, it's emotional detox. You're making space for something better. Step 3. Reframe your beliefs about love. Rewrite the narrative. Emotional baggage often comes with limiting beliefs. I'm not worthy of love. Everyone leaves eventually. I always get hurt. Challenge these beliefs. Replace them with truths. I deserve healthy love. I can trust again with boundaries. My past doesn't define my future. Healing is rewriting your emotional script with compassion and courage. Step 4. Set boundaries that protect your peace. Boundaries are healing tools. Boundaries aren't walls, they're filters. They help you protect your energy, avoid repeating past mistakes, and choose relationships that align with your growth. Examples: saying no to emotional unavailability, refusing to tolerate disrespect, taking time to build trust slowly. Boundaries are how healed people love, with self-respect and clarity. Step 5. Give yourself time before starting afresh. Heal first, then choose love consciously. Don't rush into something new just to escape loneliness. Give yourself time to reconnect with your passions. Build emotional resilience. Learn what you truly want in a partner. When you start afresh from a place of healing, you're not looking for someone to fix you, you're looking for someone to grow with you. Final thoughts. Healing is the greatest gift you can give yourself. Heal. Grow. Love again, do it better. Emotional baggage doesn't make you broken, it makes you human. But healing is a choice. It's the decision to stop dragging the past into your future. So before you start afresh, take the time to heal. Because the love you're looking for isn't just out there. It's waiting for the healed version of you to show up and receive it. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you reflect or inspired you to begin your healing journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship wisdom. Let's talk in the comments. What's one emotional pattern you're working to release before starting afresh? Let's support each other. See you in the next video.